This is CineDream. It's a new way to get rich, cinematic color without LUTs, without guesswork, and without complex grading tools. Here's a scenario. You open your editor with footage from your camera. You try to make it look good, but no matter how much time you spend, it doesn't look the way you imagined it would. It looks a little flat, a little amateur, and definitely not like the cinematic work you admire. That's not because you didn't try hard enough. It's because the tools you're using don't show you a clear path from flat footage to a cinematic result. CineDream was built to give you that path. It starts by converting your camera's color into a cinematic, film-based foundation so you're not fighting your footage right from the start. From there, you grade directly on the image. You click on what you want to change and shape the look visually instead of pushing sliders and hoping it works. Because everything is built on a cinematic foundation, the image responds naturally. Skin tones settle where they should. Highlights roll off smoothly. Contrast feels intentional instead of forced. And the look holds up across shots, across lighting changes, even across different cameras. That's CineDream, a tool that gives you a clear starting point and a guided path to the cinematic look you've been chasing so your work finally looks the way you knew it could. Try the free demo and see what your footage has been missing.